Hi everyone, my name is Jane Dresky. I'm from a city a few miles north of Boston, Massachusetts. I'm taking a medical terminology course not only as a prerequisite for veterinary school, to which I'm applying to currently, but I'm also taking it because I'm currently employed as a veterinary technician. So for me, I'm exposed to a lot of these words pretty regularly, and as of right now, unfortunately, I don't always know what they mean without having to look them up or ask around to find out their definitions. So hopefully by taking this course, I'll be able to get a better understanding of where a lot of these words come from, the meanings behind them, and how they're used, which I can hopefully then apply to my day-to-day work in addition to my application. So that way, hopefully going forward, I won't always have to look the words up first. The word I prepared to discuss with you guys today is the word osteosarcoma, which is the malignant tumor of bone. Osteosarcoma is a word that's composed of two different word parts, the combining form and then the suffix. The suffix sarcoma specifically means malignant tumor of connective tissue, and it has two different areas of origin, one from early 19th century modern Latin and also of Greek origin, specifically from three different Greek words, sark meaning flesh, sarkoon meaning to become fleshy, and then sarcoma, which is a fleshy outgrowth. So for this particular suffix, as some of you may know, a tumor specifically is an overgrowth of abnormal cells creating abnormal tissue. So in combination of these three different Greek words, flesh and then the fleshy outgrowth, which relates back to that overgrowth associated with tumors, that's where you get that definition, meaning the malignant tumor of the connective tissue. The combining form of the word osteosarcoma is the word osteo, which specifically means bone or bones. And this combining form, part of the word specifically comes from Greek origin, specifically the word osteon, which means bone. So when you take these two word parts and put them together, you're combining form osteo, which again means bone, your suffix sarcoma, which is the malignant tumor of connective tissue. That's where you get the medical word osteosarcoma, which means malignant tumor of bone.